Hi, my name is Silvia Tagliante. I work at the Junior Furniture Conservator at the Rijksmuseum, and as my colleagues, I am currently working from home, looking forward for the day when we can go back and work on our wonderful collection again. So today I would like to talk to you about a work I've done in 2018 when I was intern at the museum. In 1957, the Rijksmuseum acquired a 17th century Coromandel lacquer chest. But, due to its poor condition, the object remained long unnoticed in the deposit. The chest shows an intricate decoration. On the lid, we can see the Tang Emperor Xuanzong visiting his favorite concubine on the moon. The front panel shows an important poet of the Tang dynasty, Li Bai, at an audience with the Emperor Xuanzong. The sides are decorated with flowers, vases, birds, and symbols indicating this was a birthday gift. On the back are flowers and a golden pheasant and other birds, while the inside is made with red lacquer. This type of object is really rare because this was not created from a screen but was intended as a chest. The name of this lacquer refers to the Southeast Indian Coromandel coast, but the lacquer itself was produced in China. So in this technique, a few layers of black lacquer are applied on top of multiple brown layers on a substrate made of wood. Subsequently, the design is incised into the cured lacquer and then carved out, and the exposed foundation is decorated in a variety of colors. Unfortunately, the lacquer suffered severe photo degradation. Both the lacquer surface and the polychromy were heavily restored in the past, and a discolored brownish-black layer obscured nearly the entire decoration. So the aim of the conservation treatment was first to consolidate the delaminating lacquer and the flaking polychromy, and then trying to remove the discolored brownish-black layer on top of them. After the consolidation, the overpaint material on top of the polychromy and the original binding media were analyzed. So the overpaint layers were identified as a mixture of paraffin wax and linseed oil, while the original binding media was composed of tang oil. So after many tests, a suitable gel was selected, and the cleaning exposed an unexpectedly bright and colorful polychromy. Even if some colors, also thanks to the cross-section, have been identified as a later addition, they have been maintained. One of the most brightful discoveries was the gold pheasant on the back of the chest. Thanks to the treatment, the chest has been on exhibition for the first time in 2018 in the Asian Pavilion.